Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to create the Planet Her trend video on TikTok like this. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So what is this Planet Her trend video? It's basically a video on how you would look on a planet with different colors. This is using a TikTok effect, which I'll show you how to find it. So let me show you how to create this video step by step. Open your TikTok app, tap on Discover, search for Planet Her, tap on a video where this Planet Her trend video is being shown, then tap on the sound and make sure you add it to your favorites. The sound is from Planet Her by Doja Cat. Now go back to the search screen and search for Color Customizer. It should appear under Effects and look like this. Tap on it. Now add it to your favorites. Now go back to TikTok's main screen and from here tap on the plus sign to start creating a video. In the TikTok recording screen, tap on Add Sound. Find the song in your favorite and select it. Now make sure your record limit is set to 15 seconds. So the trend starts off with a video without the effect. So tap on the timer and set your recording limit to 3.7 seconds or the second peak on the sound graph. Now tap on Start Countdown and record your normal video. You can sing along with the song or just smile and look at the camera. Once you've recorded the first part, tap on Effects, then tap on your favorites to select the Color Customizer effect. Now choose the color you want. It can be in any order. Now tap on Timer, set the recording limit to the third peak or at 6.1 seconds roughly. Now press Start Countdown and then record your video. Once that is done, using the effect, choose another color, then tap on Timer again, set the recording limit to the fourth peak or at 8.6 seconds roughly. Now tap on Start Countdown and record your video again. Once this is done, change the color to your choice, then tap on Timer again, set the recording limit to the fifth peak or at 11.2 seconds roughly. Now tap on Start Countdown and record your video. Choose another color again, then tap on Timer again, set the recording limit to the last peak or at 13.5 seconds. Tap on Start Countdown and record your video. Now we'll do it the last time, so change it to another color, then tap on Timer, set it to 15 seconds or the end of the sound timeline. Tap on Start Countdown and record your video. Now once that is done, TikTok will then show you the full video. Add your text at the beginning, what color I would be on Planet Her. Then type in the colors you change yourself into. Once that is done, tap on Effects and make sure you add your transitions between the color changing clips. And here I'll show you how I have done mine. Now once you're happy with it, go ahead and post it on TikTok. And there you go guys, that is how to create the Planet Her trend video on TikTok. Have fun and be creative guys on this trend. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.